When does a grown man need to dress up? To look like a bird. When he must play the role of mother to raise chicks that are in danger of extinction. This species of Japanese crane currently number just over 700 on the northern island of Hokkaido. It is feared that an infectious disease could wipe out the entire species. In the wild, Japanese cranes lay 2 eggs each year. However, usually only one survives. A conservation program was started to artificially incubate some of the eggs to support the crane population. Right after hatching, chicks recognize the first thing they see as their mother. This costume helps avoid mistaken recognition of humans and provide an environment as close to nature as possible.
There is a tendency to give the chicks too much attention. We must take care not to be overprotective and spoil them.
Movements of the parent cranes in the wild are copied while in costume. At first, the chicks wouldn't eat, and some even suffered diarrhea when given clover, supposedly one of their favorite treats. Learning to dig for earthworms is an important skill for this 1-month-old chick. A natural enemy, like the crow, triggers this type of warning pose. A tense situation is created by playing recordings of the warning sounds of adult cranes in the wild. The chicks have to learn the meanings of these warnings in order to survive. It takes the chicks 6 months to reach adulthood. This conservation program may prove to be an important step in ensuring the survival of one of Japan's most beautiful birds.